Imagine a world where politicians actually delivered on every promise. Got it? Great. Now, throw it out the window because here in Jamaica, we know better. When Jamaicans say, "I can't take the foolishness no more," you know things are serious. They showed it in the last local government elections. Under 30% of those on the voters list went out to vote. Tired of all the text me requests from representatives when roads are more potholes than pavement. Some Jamaicans often take to the streets in protest to demand better roads. We take you down memory lane through these clips from Television Jamaica. Here's when St. Mary taxi operators and St. Catherine residents got fed up and let everyone know it.
When election time, the time that they say they hug them. You understand, so? No more of it. Polling station I go black next year. PNP and Labour right, it a go black for no. Cause rubbish and a full time now. And me don't talk. We are no donkey. We are human being. When a 4 foot, we have a 2. We want a road, we tired to vote for no. We are tired of voting for nothing. We need the minister. We want, when Prime Minister name? Andrew Wallace, we need you. Because you say you care for we. And we want you to see prosperity. And we don't have the prosperity in the Northeast St. Catherine. We live like a cow and dog around here.
Over 18 years now, I'm here in that road in a pipeline. And until now, it can't flush out.
Every time you talk to an MP, they say text him, text me, text me. And that's all you keep doing all the years. Don't call me, text me, text me. You talk to the coast, and can't tell you, text me, text me. All you text, there's no response. So what we do?
But you see, our Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, recently gave us an update on road improvements. His government has poured millions into the island's road network. But according to him, it's going to take 20 years to fix it all. Yes, 20 years. That's practically a whole generation. Little tykes born today might be grown and driving by the time the potholes vanish. Imagine being able to tell your children, yes, that pothole is older than you. Then there's the St. Andrew water crisis. How can students wash their faces in the morning when the schools get water, but their homes don't? It's like a choice between showing up to school, ready to learn, or looking like a zombie from a drought horror film.
Council them and make sure so the school them have water. But we have a question for the council them. So when the school them have water, all the people them reach. You understand me? We don't know water for give them breakfast. We don't know water for wash them uniform. We don't know water for bathe them. So all them reach. That makes sense to make sure that the school have water, so the school door open and the people them can go. What happened to attendance of the children? That don't make no sense. We want water.
Again, we must point out that the JLP government has invested billions to get water to people across the island. As the Prime Minister said, a water system is commissioned into service almost weekly. In Trelawney, though, people don't just protest, they're community reporters. A Trelawney man saw a traffic accident and recounted what he saw. Talk about a neighborhood reporter. But I wonder, can this man on the street account hold up in court? Maybe we're in for a new career. Eyewitness specialist straight from Trelawney.
White that was overtaking coming down the direction to go to Falmouth. While it then occurred on the red which was going up. It then ride along on the front of the wish and then into the top of the mirror view glass where you looked out as the driver, and then flick overturn on the front of the TIDA and then overturn 3 to 4 times and occur on the wall and then explode.
And who remembers the infamous no-bar days during the COVID-19 lockdown? One St. James bar operator was absolutely disgusted. She felt this would prevent the elderly from getting their medicine. And we all know that a medicine is often served chilled.
I don't agree with no chair because I have some elderly people who have to drink their rum coming like a medicine. And they have to sit down, and when them come all yesterday, they come out the door, they have to do it, stand up. That can't right.
Now hold on. Remember those 2 lotto winners who left $158 million and $33 million uncollected. Some say the winners lost the tickets. One resident wondered if they were too happy celebrating and misplaced them. Imagine that. Winning big and then poof, the ticket disappears.
We think of me win it, but we ticket lost from when I don't even remember the date or so forth. So you know the thing, I never worry myself about it again. But the ticket already lost already.
God Almighty, my heart goes out. I just keep it safe in my back pocket or in my phone case. If I don't lose my phone, I don't lose my ticket.
This is a junkie man buy the ticket. Having them pocket and a drink and take out the and dash away. And gone here, so you can't find it.
Then, just when you thought things couldn't get more entertaining, we have Mark Golding, now the leader of the opposition, dropping a diss track. Yes, he belted out a whole tune about then Finance Minister Nigel Clarke's $14 billion tax cut. Did it make the charts? Maybe not. But hey, with some auto-tune, we might have a new hit.
Santa Clark, will you ever come to the ghetto? Santa Clark, do you ever wonder why we suffer so? Even though you will be collecting 154 billion more in taxes this coming year than when you assumed office 3 years ago, this JLP government hasn't given the people a break from the GCT. And it hasn't given the travelling public a break from the additional taxes on gas. And Mr. Speaker, that's not fair.
Like what you're hearing. Hit that subscribe button because we always bring you the real, raw, and outrageously funny Jamaican highlights. Don't miss out on the drama. Trust me, it's worth it. So, where does this leave us? Today, roads still need work. Residents still cry for water. People still buy lotto tickets and collect, and bar patrons are still medicating. But here's the real question. What will we do next?